You should support only teachers. So according to me, if we are not supporting the soldiers, then how can we survive? How can we live in this country if we cannot save it? Because I think not a teacher was saying that you should do this work with a manner. But if you are living in army family, if you are living in soldier family, they always treat you as a manual person, as a mannered person. I think according to me, in point of view, I think a teacher is also important for our country, but not in the soldiers, because soldiers are also compromised with our life, with our family. They left our family for the whole country, but not a single teacher can left our family for the citizens and for the country.
When teachers can also serve their country, they can also leave their home to go there to do other state or other district to teach the student, and their student can also represent the country to all over the world. They can make a good scientist, they teach us to make a many good persons, and they can also make the soldiers, teach the soldier how without guidance a person cannot do that things what he want to do. Teachers teach us to what to do, what not to do, and this makes them the great. Then their students can also represent the teacher, they can also help to develop our country. They can make a country developing, because they can teach the students how you can do the best thing to your country, and they can also help and serve better to our country.
Can be anyone, sir. Like as sir, ladies is can also be a teacher. So ladies can also be a teacher. A teacher is like as handicapped. He is old aged. But a soldier, which a soldier are not overaged. Like as he can do anything, and he fight against the enemies. But teacher cannot fight against the enemies, and yes.
What do want, what do not, what not to want. Sir, teacher will not come on the border. He doesn't say, he will not say you suit up your terrorist. Teacher not come their side, but their side you also do with the best on the border. So teacher is also need for us, and but soldier is very also very need for us.
The teacher cannot go to border and shoot that. But in a training campus, a person who teach the soldiers to how to shoot is also a teacher. And sir also said that the age of the teachers is very high and the soldiers is very young. But we cannot judge book by its cover, because experience come by their age. They have more experience with their age, because they have served our country in a long time.
Teachers her experience. So according to me, all the conditions are not same in everywhere, because sir, if the soldier was in a border, and if he was in a fire, if he was in a war, he no have to time to think that we wants to kill him or not, because he have no time for thinking that thing. So according to me, soldiers have a popular mind than teacher, because if they know how to take our decision in 1 second.